Hi guys, this is Ishan Shafiq with you, and I have electrical background. I did my associate engineering in electrical technology. After that, I have this 7 to 8 years experience in this my particular field. So this is kind of this introduction video for my YouTube channel. I want to create some YouTube channel, and this YouTube channel will be help to the others. The basic mean and basic purpose of this electrical channel to help the guys, to help the people who have less experience and have less knowledge about this electrical technology. Inshallah, this channel will be support and give this maximum level of the theoretical and the practical, both of them, knowledge. This in this modern era, in this modern days, we know all of this daily, day by day, everything is changing. Same thing is happening in the electrical technology is also more advancing day by day is increasing the technology. Everything is mixed up, and now this through this electrical technology we can just do like what is not possible in the last centuries. So yes, some people they have this good knowledge in this electrical technology, but the thing is that everything is changing daily by daily. So the theoretical and practical experience, what is the latest electrical technology, we will just combine them, and we will make this very smooth for these guys, and we will just let you these people help out. This channel will be inshallah give the more helpful for the guys who just have this something in this heart to just learn about the electrical technology. So hopefully this channel will be helpful for them, and we will start from the very beginning, from the zero to the maximum, inshallah. And this channel will be also give the maximum kind of information and this experience, practical, theoretical, both of them. And this thing will be helpful for the guys who will just watch our videos. We will just do some kind of experiments from the, we will just learn more and more. And you know this quote, this, if you learn more you can earn more. So just keep join us, our family. We will just want to start some kind of journey. So this journey will be inshallah will be and at your success. So keep join us, share our this videos, subscribe our channels, and like the videos if you like. We will not oppose you. We are not supposed to be like. If you like our videos, so like them. And if you want to just keep join with us as a family, so we'll just subscribe our channel. And if you want to help others with our experience, with our knowledge, so you can just send the link of this channel to the others to share them. So your comment, your likes, your dislikes, your shares, everything will be very helpful for the others and very comprehensive things for us. So we will, it's very valuable things for us. Just if you want to learn something, so you can just comment us. So we will try our best to make on videos on this specific topic which you can't understand very perfectly. So we will try to figure out this maximum we will try maximum our maximum to thus learn whatever you can't learn. So thanks guys, hopefully you will just have this good journey with us. So join with us. Thank you.